Think we can do it? Got it. All the fun stuff this time.
What do you mean this time?
Windy day today. Very blustery. Also, it's fun. Down like that?
They better not be.
I gotta pitch the thing forwards and I gotta fall off the foot pad.
Oh no. Okay.
ago is the first time I came out here. I think. I don't know. I have to go back and look at pictures. Go look at my old Toyota pickup. I have videos on that. On that truck, at least. If you're interested in any pictures or videos I might have of that trip, let me know in the comments. I will put something together for you guys. No hood on because there's a component under the hood that is getting heat soaked, and then it decides to misfire. It'll misfire 1 second and then it will run just fine the next second and then misfire the next. And I've already replaced a few parts and I cannot chase it down. I'm thinking it might be an ignition coil going weak. Not 100%, but currently we are on Fins and Things in Moab, Utah. In my 95 Jeep Cherokee. Got about a 5 to 6 inch lift with 35 inch tires. The fenders are cut back with bushwhacker fender flares. Got a Dana 8 1/4 in the rear. Got the original Dana 30 in the front. Sorry, Chrysler 8 1/4 in the rear. Dana 30 in the front. That has not been gusseted or anything yet. Neither of them have. Running 355 gears, front and rear. I need to re-gear, but I haven't yet. Running a Junkyard 4.0 that I put in about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago now. It's running pretty good. After I took the hood off of this thing, it's definitely a lot better. The lift kit that's on this right now, I believe, is made by Skyjacker. I bought it used, had repowder coated black. It came to me red, I think red and black maybe. But it's a bit of a legendary lift, I guess. I guess they're kind of sought after. I didn't even know what I had until after I bought it. I had it all powder coated and everything. So, yeah, it's a mid-arm lift kit. So it takes the two control arms on the left and right, upper and lower, pushes them down about 3 inches and back about 3 to 6, depending on the arm. So not quite a long arm, and it's definitely a ton better than stock. The articulation is a ton better on the front of this Jeep than it was with stock, pretty well stock setup. Got Bilstein shocks in the front. I got some old whatever shocks in the rear right now. I haven't been able to install my new shocks in the rear yet. Let's see, what else have we done to this Jeep? Done a lot of stuff to this Jeep. A lot, and yet not a ton. And most of this stuff I've done in the past like 2-3 weeks before the trip, so got a little squeak out of the right side. One of the control arms is squeaking a little bit. Not sure why. It's new. All the bushings in the front end are all brand new, so I'm not sure why the one's squeaking. Maybe the center has come undone from the rubber bushing. Not sure though. Definitely enjoying the trip. Wish I started the video earlier. Went up a pretty good rock wall, but